Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best toy typewriter is probably one of the most charming toys, offering a delightful blend of nostalgia and creativity. These miniature marvels spark imagination and provide a tangible writing experience, mimicking the satisfying click-clack of a real typewriter. They encourage children to explore language, develop fine motor skills, and embrace the joy of putting pen to paper, or rather, key to paper. Number 5. LEGO Ideas Typewriter 21327, Retro Display Model. This LEGO Ideas set is designed for adults. It's an old-fashioned typewriter model that moves and sounds just like the real thing. It's a great way to experience a classic. The model features a center type bar that rises when a key is pressed. The carriage moves across as you type, just like a real typewriter. It's a fun and engaging experience. This 2079-piece model includes a platen roller. You can feed real paper into it for display. It's a delightful display piece. The set includes 43 language versions of a letter. It's written and signed by the LEGO Group's founder-successor. You can put it in the typewriter for display. It's a unique gift idea for LEGO fans, writers, and retro lovers. It's great for spending quality time alone or with family. This model is a part of a collection that fulfills a desire for enjoyable and relaxing hobbies for adults. This model kit comes with an illustrated booklet. It provides step-by-step instructions to guide you through the build. The model measures over 27 centimeters, 10.5 inches. What we like? This LEGO set offers an authentic typewriter experience. It's a detailed display model that moves and sounds like the real thing. If you are a LEGO enthusiast, a writer, or someone who appreciates retro items, you should consider this. It's perfect for display and a great conversation starter. What people say. The keys are easy to push. The typewriter is very sturdy. The paper feeds easily. Number 4. RYMEK Typewriter Mechanical Keyboard with Tablet Stand, White. This keyboard features a classic retro design, bringing a touch of nostalgia to your desk. It's a stylish way to enhance your workspace and make a statement. You can connect to devices via Bluetooth or USB. This gives you the flexibility to use it with almost any device, whether you're at home or on the go. It supports Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android systems. You can easily connect it to your iPad, iPhone, or other devices, making it incredibly versatile. It can pair with up to 3 devices simultaneously. You can switch between them with shortcuts, which greatly increases your productivity. The LED dynamic backlight improves typing accuracy in the dark. It also makes gaming more enjoyable, adding a cool visual element. The built-in tablet stand is convenient for holding your iPad or smartphone. It keeps your devices in view and within easy reach. The blue switch provides a satisfying tactile bump and audible click. It enhances your typing experience and gives you great feedback. What we like? This keyboard boasts a classic retro design with multi-device connectivity. It supports both wired and wireless connections, and the dynamic backlight enhances your typing experience. If you are looking for a stylish and versatile keyboard that works across multiple devices, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who value both aesthetics and functionality. What people say. Easy to connect the Bluetooth and change the backlight to whatever pattern you wish. I found the keys to be perfect, as I was looking for one that does make the wonderful click-clack. Keyboard works great and my daughter absolutely loves it. Number 3. Brother GX 6750 Electric Typewriter. This typewriter is perfect for students, home users, and small businesses. It's designed to make typing easier and more efficient for anyone who needs it. The keyboard provides a professional typing experience. It allows you to type quickly and accurately, making your work more efficient. This feature allows you to correct mistakes easily. It saves time and ensures your documents are error-free. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around. You can take it anywhere you go, making it perfect for on-the-go typing. It comes with a variety of automatic features. These features are designed to save you time and make your typing experience more enjoyable. What we like? This typewriter features a professional touch keyboard with 65-character correction memory. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to move around. If you are a student, home user, or someone in a small business who needs a reliable and portable typing solution, you should consider this. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. What people say. The typewriter is small, light, and manages to fit into the corner of my office without being obtrusive. Despite its small footprint, it types well and does not come across as flimsy or cheap. The buttons on the keyboard are easy to press and spring back nicely. Number 2. Royal Scriptor 269147T Typewriter. Introducing the Royal Scriptor 269147T Typewriter. This is a reliable machine for all your typing needs. It's a classic, and it's here to help you. It features a 45-key keyboard with 17 functions. This makes it easy to type quickly and efficiently. You'll find it's a breeze to use. With a typing speed of 12 characters per second, it gets the job done. It's fast enough for most tasks, and it's a joy to use. It offers multiple pitch and line spacing options. This gives you flexibility in how your documents look. You can customize it to your liking. It has impression control for different paper types. This ensures that your text always looks its best. It's a great feature for professional-looking documents. It includes automatic underlining, bold typing, and superscript and subscript features. These features add emphasis and style to your work. It's easy to make your text stand out. It has margin set and release, indent, and decimal tabulation. These features help you format your documents precisely. It gives you full control over your layout. What we like. This typewriter comes with a 17-function keyboard and automatic features. It offers multiple pitch options for different typing styles. If you like having control over your document's appearance and need features like automatic underlining and bold typing, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who need a variety of formatting options. What people say. Top quality mechanically, and it really erases better than I have had with my Selectric 2. Instructions for this machine are easy to understand. I am very satisfied with the smooth touch and precision so far. Number 1. Nakajima WPT-160 Electronic Portable Typewriter. Introducing the Nakajima WPT-160, a portable electronic typewriter. It's designed for those who need a reliable and efficient way to type on the go. This device offers a blend of classic functionality with modern features. This typewriter comes equipped with 16K of storage memory. It allows you to save your documents directly on the device. You can easily store and retrieve your work whenever you need it. It features a 20-character LCD display. This screen provides a clear view of what you're typing. This helps you easily edit and review your work before printing. The Nakajima WPT-160 uses a 100-character drop-in print wheel. This ensures a professional and clear print every time. Replacing the print wheel is also simple and convenient. It includes 17 function keys for various operations. These keys enhance the usability and make typing more efficient. They provide quick access to essential features. This typewriter supports paper up to 13 inches wide. This allows you to work on various document sizes. It's perfect for a wide range of typing needs. What we like. This typewriter features 16K storage memory and a 20-character LCD display. It also has a 13-inch paper capacity. If you need to store your work and have a display to see what you're typing, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who need a typewriter with modern conveniences. What people say. This typewriter worked well enough, and found the experience of using it rather enjoyable. This typewriter word processor has a display window for previewing the text before actual printing. It has many features which I have yet to familiarize myself with. I like the carrying handle feature for portability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.